Most people are broke, not because they don't earn money, but because they follow these three bad money habits every single day. If you avoid them, you'll instantly start saving more in 2025. Habit 1. First habit, spending more than you earn. It sounds simple, but most people use credit cards to buy things they don't even need. Instead, track your spending. If you earn 1,000, keep your expenses under 800. That extra $200 will change your future. Habit 2. Many people spend their salary first, then save whatever is left. Rich people do the opposite. They save first, even if it's just 10%, and then spend the rest. Automate your savings so you never forget. Habit 3. If you never learn about money, you'll always lose it. Spend just 15 minutes daily reading about personal finance, investments, or side hustles. Knowledge compounds just like money. Stop these 3 habits today, and you'll never stay broke again. Follow me for more simple money tips that can change your life.